Now, Mathura in pole-bound Uttar Pradesh is calm on the day of Babri Mosque demolition. The administration has put up a massive security blanket after right-wing groups have called for installation of Krishna idol at the Shahi Eidgah in the ancient city. National Affairs editor Rahul Srivastava sent us this ground report. Let's have a look.
These are sights and sounds of a dispute being concocted. The narrow gauge rail track for the Mathura Vrindavan pilgrimage train is off limits. Every arterial road and lane around the Krishna Janmabhoomi temple in Mathura barricaded. Mathura and its residents are anxious, as half a dozen unknown groups have threatened to widen the fault line between two adjoining places of worship, Krishna Janmabhoomi temple and Shahi Eidgah and their followers. Police say the state government has ordered zero tolerance to trouble.
मथुरा जो है एक ब्रिज नगरी है और यहाँ से हमेशा एक प्रेम का संदेश पूरी दुनिया को गया है और इसी परंपरा को कायम रखते हुए पुलिस और प्रशासन का लगातार जनता से जो हमारे धर्मगुरु हैं उनके साथ हमारा लगातार संवाद रहता है। इस विषय पर भी सबने शांति व्यवस्था बनाए रखने के लिए अपील भी किया है, हमारा सहयोग भी किया है।
Police fights a battle at multiple fronts. It's approaching elders of the two communities. Those posting objectionable content on social media are being warned. The huge deployment brings partial relief to city's people. They fear Mathura could be the next political Ayodhya. There are signs of anxiety, and more Muslims have been visiting the mosque since the threats were made.
Are the Muslims worried?
Exactly. Because of two reasons. Because they have seen the times and the wives and the daughters and the little children. They are much worried. God forbid what happens, what takes place in case the huge number of the majority community comes up and they are not being stopped by the forces. There is perfect peace in the city.
Mathura stayed peaceful while Ayodhya simmered, courtesy a 1968 peace accord between the Hindus and Muslims. Harmony ensured peaceful social and economic coexistence. Muslims supply flowers for the Krishna temple. The zari chunri or drapes for female deities are crafted by the Muslims. Pappu Bhai, a Muslim, runs a workshop that supplies the shiny crowns for thousands of Krishna idols in Mathura and Vrindavan. He even makes the jeweled crown for the deity at the Krishna Janmabhoomi temple. He doesn't want disharmony but is against the claim for the mosque's land.
पप्पू साहब ये बताइए, आप ये जो बनाते हैं ये किसके लिए बनाते हैं?
लड्डू गोपाल के लिए।
लड्डू गोपाल कौन है?
लड्डू गोपाल
भगवान कृष्ण है, यानी हिंदुओं के भगवान।
हाँ।
तो ये बताइए कि आप सिर्फ ऐसे छोटे छोटे बना के बेचते हैं कि
मतलब मैं 0 नंबर से लेके जितने भी बड़े होंगे, जितने भी बड़े से बड़े होंगे 100 के मुकुट बना दूंगा।
अभी अचानक ये झगड़े की बात आ रही है कि साहब कृष्ण जन्मभूमि की जो जमीन है जहाँ शाही ईदगाह खड़ी है वो जमीन चाहिए लोगों को।
तो वो जमीन कैसे मिलेगी? ये साहब मुझे वो तो हमारी है, तो हमारी रहेगी।
Ayodhya suffered due to the Ram Temple Babri Mosque tussle for decades. But Mathura has stories of prosperity and tourism that sustains virtually every Mathura home. Brijwasi Sweets is Mathura's own success story. Its owner, like all businessmen in the city, is battling for peace, not the color of his faith.
यहाँ पर किसी तरीके की कोई परेशानी किसी को नहीं हो रही है। यहाँ का एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन और पुलिस दोनों कोऑर्डिनेशन से काम कर रहे हैं। साथ के साथ यहाँ की जनता भी उस सहयोग में भागीदार है। सब लोग ये चाहते हैं कि यहाँ अयोध्या जैसी स्थिति उत्पन्न नहीं हो और निश्चित रूप से अयोध्या जैसी स्थिति उत्पन्न नहीं होगी।
In Mathura, the Krishna Janmabhoomi temple and the Shahi Eidgah have coexisted for a period much longer than any devotee who walks up the steps for blessings. In the city, the Ayodhya playbook, it seems, is being deployed. An emotive issue from the backyards of history is being rolled out into the playground called electoral politics. In Mathura, with Vinod, Rahul Srivastava for India Today.